and maybe for Easy Meal and the plus one, the special shirt. But the rest though are the white ones. Yeah.
We use this maybe? Water.
Yeah, that one. Medium.
I heard it sounded good in there. Sounded like it was bumping in there.
I mean, how
Doing good?
Yo, what up?
Got some shirts for you guys to wear.
Alright.
Hello, Sir Paul.
Ayos pa tayo dyan sa'yo.
Yeah.
What? What you saying?
Pakita natin.
Yeah.
Jonas!
Hey, I'm just gonna get some t-shirts.
Kanina si Ezemir. Anong kanta? Jonas Sultan.
Yeah, but they can't pay down there. Correct. Just drop them off. Yeah, just drop them off. I gotta pick up my wristband.
Jonas,
Thank you
pipila
na,
Jonas.
ha?
Size large? Large?
Pasensya na yan, medyo ganun talaga
XL
pag ano.
we have.
It's American. You want XL?
Yeah,
Yeah, XL for
Who's all the
Sir Paul.
sizes of all them?
This is fine.
Like all the other. That's too big. 2XL. Too big.
yeah, 2XL.
2XL, that's perfect for me.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
And the other sizer of the 8, maybe
Ladies are medium.
medium.
Where's this guy? Large?
Easy. Are you medium or large?
We're largest.
Large.
Large.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this, bro. I
Medium.
love whoever did this design.
Medium.
Uh-huh.
Give them to the
Medium
people
for
you're with.
ladies.
Oh yeah, yeah. A couple of mediums, please,
Yeah, you're there.
and an XL
Yes, sir.
because I got a homie.
Yeah.
See one.
We gotta get you down there, get you your credentials and everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, just giving them the shirt, sir. Yeah.
And you'll see this guy tonight singing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is good, sir. The audio.
Yung actually nagkamali sila nung unang nilagay nilang audio, yung nilagay nila
Which
yung
one is
original.
for?
Oh,
Pero
nag-send na ako ng
kailangan
bago.
lang-
Oh.
Kailangan yung,
This
yung
one's for the
sinend sa
finance?
inyo
Yeah.
na Google Drive link, kailangan we need to
Alright.
send them that link because
Okay,
that's
okay.
the one that needs to be played.
All right. Sige,
This one
I'll
fit you?
coordinate. And
This one's for tonight.
That looks good.
For tonight. This one's for tonight.
Okay.
That looks good. Nice one.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Yeah.
That's the one for the walk.
That's
So,
awesome.
pwede pa shout out like Viva Valientes no?
Shout out Viva Valientes, your boy Ismail and
Juni Navarro.
Juni Navarro. Yeah. Shout out to you.
Jonas
Have a
Sultan.
good day. And
Jonas Sultan.
Jonas Sultan, laban niya ngayon.
Jonas Sultan. May laban ka rin, tol.
yeah.
Good luck, tol. Good luck. Kaya yan. Panalo yan. Panalo.
I'll just coordinate to Miss Brittany. The updated track should be.
Send it.
Yeah, I already sent
I'll send
it.
it. I'll show you the DJ.
Yeah. I'll coordinate with the DJ. Yeah.
Di rin.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Taga-coordinate ang taga-Olonga po na taga-Baguio.
How many?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Invite ka namin minsan sa
Throw 'em
Sambuanga.
out.
Yeah, bro. See you later.
Thank you guys. Nag-iintay